Are you struggling to manage your WordPress media files? Is your site slowing down with bulky files? You're not alone. Many WordPress users face the same problem, but there's a solution: Next3 Offload. Next3 Offload helps you streamline your media management by offloading all your files to cloud storage. It automatically rewrites media URLs from WordPress to the cloud, and you can use over 24 multiple providers like Amazon S3, Cloudflare, and more. No limits. Offload hundreds and even thousands of files seamlessly. Plus, optimize your site with WebP conversion, image compression, and database cleanups. Boost your site's performance, reduce server load, and simplify media management with Next3 Offload. So what are you waiting for? Visit themedev.net to supercharge your WordPress website.